We've got here one of our ATEX drum rotators. This unit's telescopic, so it lifts to 2.5 meters, and it's got power rotation for tipping the drum. I'm going to take this Mauser drum, push the unit forwards to the bands around the outside. We then go forward to our universal band, take our ratchet strap and hook it in place, and tighten up our ratchet. Once the band's tight, we take this top rim clamp, lift it up and hook it onto the top of the drum. What this rim clamp does is when you invert the drum upside down, it just grips the top of the drum. Because these drums are quite slippy, it's good to have a second securing method. So the rim clamp's tight, the band's tight. Go to the rear panel. We've got our air line connected to the unit, so this is air operated. Press our operate button and pull the lift lever. We'll then move it forwards and tip into the vessel. Once empty, we can return the drum. I'm going to pull the unit backwards. Lower down. And then we'll get another drum and tip it into the vessel. So we've got a green drum here. It's an open top steel. Going to lift it up. Going to move it forward and then tip into the unit. And bring the unit backwards. We'll now show you a close-up of the rear panel and the controls. We're now looking at the rear control panel. This unit is being sent out to Chile, and therefore the language on the stickers is Spanish. To operate the unit, we press this operate button. We can then use these two levers to operate the functions. Left lever is lift and lower. And the right lever is rotation. Push forwards to tip forwards, and pull back to tip backwards. We also have an emergency stop button. We push this down to stop all functions. Nothing will work when the emergency stop button is pressed. To reset, we turn the button. We have airline connections on both the right and left side of the unit to connect the air supply.